Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here in the workshop. What a glorious day outside. Even if old man winter has come back. So, the wood today is an interesting one. Well, I find them all interesting. What do you think it might be? Lightweight. It has a very light sapwood and a very light milk chocolate brown heart. Plains like a dream. Grows here in North America. I don't know as if it grows anywhere else. I didn't look it up. You can go to the wood database and see. When you compare it in texture to the hickory that I planed the other day, very similar except half the weight. Okay, that side's flat. Flip it over. Now I will tell you, it has nuts. It has a close cousin, also has nuts. However, the close cousin is more widely propagated as a food source, especially in California. Got a bit of a hollow in here. There we go. Now, the thing I really like about this wood, as opposed to its cousin, is this wood sort of keeps its color over time. Whereas the other one loses its beautiful dark chocolate brown color. Can you tell me? It is butternut. Some people call it white walnut, but butternut. You notice I'm going in different directions, trying to figure out where the high spots are. And I think we just about got it licked till that last shaving got clogged. That should pretty much do it. Now, carvers like butternut. It carves nicely like basswood. I'm still high on these two corners. So how I usually approach that is I go across it. Excuse me. You hear that? And then you widen your attack. You start going this way, and you go to the next one over, and then you come all the way through. That's it, flat. And that's all there is to it. So butternut, also known as white walnut, takes a beautiful polish. And that white sapwood. Thanks for stopping by. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.